Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So today's video is going to be a Christmas nail video. I have these beautiful nails and there is a reindeer and some plaid. I absolutely love plaid. So I think that these nails are going to be perfect for Christmas. So Christmas is less than a week away, so that is why I'm putting these on now, because they will definitely last me through the Christmas holiday. I picked these up from Ulta about 2 weeks ago, so you know it's getting pretty close to Christmas, but I think if you take a look out at Ulta or CVS, you will find some Christmas nails. I'm sure there are a few left over. And I will definitely link these in the description section if I can find them on Amazon, but it's getting pretty close down to the wire, so you might not be able to get them delivered in time for Christmas. So my suggestion would be to go out and look at your local Walgreens, CVS, or Ulta. So I don't have any nails on right now to take off, but I do have a coat of this Sally Hansen. This is a Complete Care 7-in-1 nail treatment from Sally Hansen, and this is what I put on my nails to protect them and to help them look pretty good. And I also put some gel top coat on them just because I was going out and I didn't want my nails to look really beat up. Plus I thought that I've had these nails off for the weekend, so just 2 days. I took the red nails off on Friday, and then I didn't want to put these on too soon. I wanted to wait, and so that they would be perfect for Christmas. So I just put some of this nail treatment on with a gel top coat to give them a little bit of a shine. Now they're in pretty decent shape, I would say. Some of them need a good file down because they they're a little softer and more brittle than they would be if I didn't wear the nails all the time. But other than that, I think they are in pretty healthy shape. But I'm going to take off the nail polish and the treatment, and I'm going to give them a little bit of a file just to make sure there's a rough edge for these nails to adhere to. I'm not going to file the nail itself, just give it a little bit of a file. And I'm going to use my super glue to glue these on. This is the original super glue, which I always link down below in the description section. And my trimmers, these are also from Amazon. They're very inexpensive, very easy to use, because I think these nails are just going to be a tad long for me, so I am going to trim them down. So come on down, I'm going to do my thing, pick my sizes, glue them on, and then I will show you how they come out. right, guys, they are done and they look fabulous, I think. I love the little sparkly nail. I love the reindeer and the red plaid. My thumbs have the reindeer on them, which are so beautiful and sparkly and Christmassy. I wish I could see how they are like when they're in the right position to see them, and I can see them when I look down at my hands. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Love this set of nails. Perfect for Christmas. I'm all set now. I just can do a couple. I have a couple other things I need to finish up for the holiday, and then I am done and I can just sit back and relax and enjoy all the moments to come. So I hope that you have enjoyed these Christmas nail videos. I would love to see pictures of the nails that you do for Christmas. If you have any special nails, send me some pictures. You know, send me a picture on my email or post it to my Facebook page. I would love to see it, and I would love to be able to share that with the subscribers. And so, enjoy your nails, enjoy your manicure for this Christmas season. Go a little, you know, be a little bold, do something a little bit different. You know, I've always was a kind of a conservative nail person, just the traditional colors or a basic French. But I have found that with these Kiss nails, it's so easy to be able to just do something fun and, you know, out of the norm because they're temporary. You can take them off whenever you decide you don't want them anymore, and they're inexpensive and fun to do. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for checking out my new nails and for subscribing to my channel and coming on back all the time. I hope your Christmas season is going super, super well. I am going to have a video on Thursday that is a last minute hostess gift. If you're going out for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day or even the days leading up to that and someone is hosting the party, if you're, you know, if you need some ideas for something to bring the host or the hostess, then check out Thursday's video. So anyway, guys, take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.